Okay, now let us see some of the string operations, how to do and how we can manage all the things. Okay. Okay. So now I'm going to be take a new class example string. Okay. Class example string. So what is the main method we have? So public static void string objects. Okay, so now what I'm taking means I'm taking in one variable called string, some s is equal to Shiva. And I want to concat the two strings. So that is the reason I'm using h star concat of Ganesh. Ganesh. Okay. So I have concatenated the two strings. Now, now my output should be my output should be so Ganesh. So how can I get that? So now my output is yes. Okay. Now let us see what it will be done. My output is so on. So now I want Shiva Ganesh. So what can I do now? So we can able to do this thing here. Okay. Else I can able to add this thing to some variable. So I can able to use fi here. Okay. So this is a way we can able to make a concatenation operation within the two strings. We got it now. Now let us see something. Okay. So basically, what is an immutable class? What is an immutable class? Have anyone in the class? What is called immutable? What is the meaning? What is the Telugu meaning, or else what is the meaning of a word called immutable? So immutable అంటే ఏంటంటేనండి that which we cannot able to change any values. Okay, so that means we cannot able to change the value of the string, so that is called the string is an immutable class. The string is an immutable class. Okay, so what is an immutable class in Java? What is immutable class in Java?
String.
String is an immutable class in Java. Okay, so the string is going to act as a data type and as well as in its own class. So that is the reason the string is an immutable. So why the string is an immutable means we cannot able to change any real time, any runtime values for a string. So that is the reason the string is an immutable. Okay, so then apart from that, what are the more advantages we will be get while we are using the string? The string is going to make its own class loaders, and the string is a thread safe, and it will providing the more security, and it is going to utilize the more heap space. Okay, okay, it is going to utilize the more heaping manner space. So that is the reason the string is very useful, and the string we will have a lot of things we will compare. We can able to do the comparison operators, we can able to do and reference by values and everything. Okay, so now, so how many ways we have for comparing the string? So we can able to compare by using a three different things. Okay, how many ways? So ways to compare the string. Ways to compare the string. So how many ways we have? So we have by using equals method we can. Okay, by using equals method. Equal is a predefined method that which is going to compare the two strings. Okay, or else by using double equal to method. By using double equal to, and one more method called compare. One more method called compare to. T is a capital letter and compare to. So by using these three things, we can able to compare our strings. We can able to compare our strings. Okay, we will see the examples for these three things. Now I have S called Shiva, and I'm going to be take string S1 is equal to Ganesh. Okay, now I want to compare the two things only. So I want to compare the two things. So here I am writing that S1, okay, S1 dot equals, S1 dot equals of, for which string we are comparing? Yes, right? We are comparing with S1 with yes by using equals method. So this is one way of comparing, and this is the second way of comparing. S1 double equal to S. That is the second way of comparing. Second way of comparing. And so let us see these two things first. So, so the Shiva and Ganesha two things are not equal. So that is the reason we got the statement as false here. Let us have Shiva here. Okay, so now let us see. So true. Okay. So now let us see the same example with how can we do with an comparative method. How can we do with an comparative method? The same thing like this. Same thing like this. compare to, okay, compare to yes. So if it is true, it will give 0. If it is false, it will give 1. Okay. So false, false, it will give some garbage value. So this is the way we can able to write the string comparison operations. So is it clear or do you have any doubts now?
It's clear, so
Yeah. Okay. So now we have a thing called, that means so we can able to concat the strings by using the two things. Okay. We can able to add, we can able to concat strings by using two ways. Okay, two ways. So one is by using the plus, and second one we already did, right? Concat. Okay. So this is the one way. So now let us see how can we do by using the plus operator. Okay. Now let us see how can we do by using the plus operator. F1 is equal to S plus S1. Okay. So we got the output. So this is a way we can able to use the comparator operations.
Siva, hello.
Yes.
What is mean by concat?
So have you not followed the previous example? So concat is a predefined method that which is going to be added to different strings. Okay. So we have done it right.
Okay.
See, yes, concat of the Ganesh. So the yes we have Shiva is one of the thing and Ganesh is the next thing. Okay. We are going to make the concat operation between Shiva and Ganesh. So this is one way of doing the concatenations. That means this adding the two strings is called concatenating. Okay. So something S2 equal to S plus S1. Okay. So this is one way and this is one way. By using these two ways, we can able to do our functionalities. Is it clear now? Okay. So now I want to be use same string by using the string builder. I want to do the concatenation of the two strings by using the string builder. How to do that? How to do that? So now I'm creating the two strings. Okay. I'm creating the two strings similar here. So instead of using the string, I am using string builder. String builder. Okay. String builder. Some s is equal to. So the syntax will be somewhat different. Okay. New string builder. new string builder of. Here we need to give our statement. Let us consider hello. The similar way for the next one. Okay, so this is the way we can able to create a new strings by using a string builder. Now I want to add these two strings. I want to add these two strings. Okay, so how to add that? So I'm going to be create a new string builder. Okay, I'm going to
Excuse
be
me,
create.
sir.
చెప్పండి.
Please join them, sir. Somebody are waiting in rooms, sir.
Okay, so I'm going to
Thank you.
be
Thank you, sir.
yeah, yes. So the string builder, okay, some s equal to some s2 equal to s1 dot. So that means in the s2 I am going to add this s1 and this s. Okay, so what is the methods we have for normal string? By using the plus command we can able to do, or else by using the concat we can able to do, right? So that are two things we have, right? So here by using the string builder, it's a different one. Okay. By using the string builder, it's the different one. So we can able to write a method, predefined method called append. What is the method here? By using the string builder, what is the method here? Append is a method. Okay. S1 append, S1 append. So which string we are going to be append here? We are going to be append S2 or S. So S, okay. So string builder, some S2 is equal to S1 dot append of S. So this is the way we can able to make a two merging of the two different strings. So now let us have a output. So let us print our output here. Okay. System dot out dot print ln. System dot out dot print ln. So where our output will be saved now? In the string called s2. Our output will be saving under string called s2. So now let us have an execution of this. Okay. So how to compile Java program? Java compilation C file name dot Java. Okay, and then there is no compile time error. So that is the reason we are going to be execute our program. Okay. Good morning. Hello. We got it right? Yeah, right. It's right. Because we have append S1 on S. If you want to get hello, good morning, S is equal to S1. So now we will get hello, good morning. Okay. See, hello, good morning. Okay. So this is the way we can able to append our strings. Okay. So by using which one? By using an string builder. So now similarly, we are talking that string is an immutable class, right? The string is an immutable class, right? So how to create and that immutable class, and how can we create an object for that immutable class? So directly we can able to write string, okay, string some s1 equal to new string, okay. In the brackets we can able to write like this, hello. In the brackets, we can able to write hello. So similarly, I'm going to be create a new variable called string s2 equal to something like an hello guys. Okay. So now I want to add these two strings, and I need to give some format for this. So how to do that? So I'm going to be create a new string called string s3 equal to so I want to be make a format, right? So string dot, we have a predefined class called format. Okay, format of here when we are using this format. Okay, so we can, the input is the two strings s1 comma s2. So which format it should be print, so that input we have to be give there. Okay, so that input we have to give. So simply I am using here percentage s1 percentage some s, and again I'm using the percentage and I'm giving s, I'm giving es. Okay, percentage. Okay, so this is the format it should have to be display. That means it should give some gap, and it will need to be print some string, and as well as it should give gap and it should be printed the next string. Okay, this is an my thing. So now I'm going to be print s3 here. I'm going to be print s3 here. So now let us see here how the things will be work on to us. String b, Java string b. Okay, hello guys. But there is some mistake there. So we have given percentage yes and percentage yes, right? Comma s1 comma s2. Format we are using f4 and mat. It is the right one. So let us Google it. Okay. String format, locate string format object. Yeah, same syntax we have followed. Okay, let me check about this thing and then I will get back in the next session. Okay. So basically, syntactically it is correct. There is no issue, but the gap should be happened between hello and guide. It's not happened that. Okay. I will have a look that and I will get back to you. Okay, guys. Do you have any doubts here? Chana, Lara, Indra. Okay, so now let us have another example. Okay, so now I want to be join two strings. I want to join two strings. How to use that? So instead of format, we can able to use join. Okay, instead of format, we can able to use join. So we can remove this. Just give something, and let us see what it will be. Okay, hello guys, we got it right. So this is a way we can able to make the join of the two strings. Okay, so next similarly, so next I need to add the two strings to an string joiners. That means we have a strings, right? So we are adding the strings like this. And now what I need to do means I need to add after creating an object for the string. After creating an object for the string. So I'm writing the string joiners, string joiner, some s is equal to new string joiner, new string joiner. Okay, new string joiner. Something I can able to give some comma or anything like this. Okay, so now I have created a new object for the string joiner. So now I want to add the strings. So s dot add of good and s.add of morning. S.add of morning. So I'm going to comment this one. Okay, I'm going to be comment this. Now system.out.println, system.out.println, yes. So definitely it will be great an error. Why? Because I cannot find this in string joiner. Okay, I need to convert this thing to the two string. I need to convert this thing to the two string. Could not find the symbol. So just wait, guys. Let me check what's the Java version I have, because the string joiner is a new concept that is going to be handled from Java 8. We have Java 8 version. The string is that's an error. There is no syntactical errors. It is showing something. Okay. So it is a version problem. So I will check the versions and I will update this thing also in the next class. So okay, guys. Yeah. Have a practice of your things. Okay. Thank you. Bye bye. Is there any doubts?
No, sure. Bye.
Okay. Yes.